Good evening. From CBS News, this is Newsbreak. In its first public session, the Israeli Commission investigating the Beirut massacre heard testimony from Defense Minister Sharon. He said no one foresaw the atrocities. Sharon conceded that he waited overnight before ordering the Lebanese phalangists out of the camps after receiving reports that the troops had gone too far. Poland's Archbishop Glemp met in Rome today with Pope John Paul. Talks concerned the Church's response to the banning of solidarity and the pontiff's delayed trip to his troubled homeland. The stock market suffered its biggest one-day loss since 1929, reversing a two-month buying spree. Reports from Detroit say daily auto sales in mid-October were at their lowest in 24 years.
Become great at Pac-Man and you could be the envy of the neighborhood. Become great at the Commodore VIC-20 home computer and you could own the neighborhood.
I'm Marlene Sanders, CBS News, New York. More news later on this CBS station.
This is CBS.